Hello there, in this video we are going to be looking at section 2.1.5 databases of the OCR computing specification, and in particular we're going to be looking at the relational databases aspect and explaining the use of key fields to connect tables and avoid data redundancy. So, you need to make sure we know the terminology for two different keys. So first of all, primary key, which is a unique value to identify a record in a table easily, and a foreign key. Foreign keys don't have to be unique, and they're linked by primary keys using the tables linked together. So you can see, for example, here that we have got three different tables which are linked together. We've got the artist table, which has got artist ID, artist name, artist biography and artist picture. We've got the genre table with genre ID and genre, and then we've got recordings table with album ID, artist ID, genre ID, year of release, number of tracks, price and album cover. What we can do using this information is make sure that the tables and the data that we're using isn't going to be completely over the top. It means that we're not going to have any unnecessary data or extra data being used. So in this example here with the recordings, because it's got artist ID and genre ID being linked into in the recordings table, it means it can get to the information easily in those particular tables. So for example, in the recordings table, it's just going to be having the list in there: album ID, artist ID, genre ID, year of release, number of tracks, price and album cover. In that table we don't need to know the artist name, biography or a picture of them because it's not needed. But we can be able to use that information, for example in a query, because we've got the relationship between the two. Similarly, we might not want to know what the genre is of the song in the recordings table because it's just not needed. But at least then there can be a link made between the tables to be able to retrieve that sort of information. I hope this has been useful for you. Feel free to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in a future video. Bye bye.